Good day, everyone. I am Mr. Frederick Decena, Master Teacher 1 of Kanggahan Elementary School, together with my co-researchers, Mrs. Maricel Rochsan Examen, Teacher 3, and Mr. Alvin A. Loraña, Teacher 1. It is an honor for us to present to you our action research entitled Project Drills, developing routine instruction for learners with low numeracy skills, strategy to improve the multiplication skills of grade 4 pupils. Pupils' mastery in basic multiplication fact is one of the biggest problems in the school, and mostly the main factor why math is considered as a very difficult subject. Mastery of basic multiplication facts will enable the pupils to focus on more difficult tasks, such as problem solving and others. Without the ability to recall facts from memory, the higher order processing skills in problem solving will be hindered. According to Marzano 2010, the reasons why pupils failed to master multiplication basic facts are because the pupils have insufficient practice and perceive that the task seems so daunting. 7/8/2010 said that multiplication can be taught to students in creative and enjoyable ways. There are numerous drills and strategies available to teach these subjects to the students. Specifically, this action research aimed to answer the following questions. 1. What is the performance of grade 4 pupils in multiplication skills before the conduct of project drills? 2. What is the performance of the pupils in multiplication skills after conducting project drills? And 3. Is there a difference between the performance of pupils before and after the conduct of project drills?
As for the scope and limitation, this action research dealt with the improvement of the grade 4 pupils in multiplication skills this school year 2019-2020. The respondents of the study were the 30 grade 4 pupils of Kanggahan Elementary School who got the lowest scores in the pretest in M2 window drill cards, which was given by the researchers before the conduct of the study. As to the methodology, descriptive type of research was used in this study. The 30 pupils from grade 4 who got the lowest scores in the pretest were the respondents of the study using purposive sampling. The respondents were exposed to the M1 and M2 window drill cards and flashcards as an intervention in improving their multiplication skills. This intervention was used as a 1 to 3 minute drill during their math class. Pretest was given before the conduct of the study. Post-test was administered after the study was conducted. Their scores were tallied and interpreted using paired sample t-test to determine the difference on their mean scores in the pretest and post-test.
After conducting the research, here are the results. Is open number 1. What is the performance of grade 4 pupils in multiplication skills in the pretest? As shown in the table, the pretest scores of the 30 grade 4 pupils when the pretest in multiplication skill was given. It reveals a mean scores of 9.52, SD of 5.86, and an MPS of only 31.73. SOP number 2. What is the performance of grade 4 pupils in multiplication skills in the post-test? The table reveals a great improvement in mean percentage score from 31.73 to 82.43 after the program was implemented. SOP number 3. Is there a difference between the pretest and post-test result of multiplication skill? The table shows that there is a difference between the pretest and post-test. There is an increase of 15.21 in mean and 50.7 in MPS, while the SD decreased from 5.86 to negative 1.06. The researchers concluded that Project Drills is an effective intervention program based from the result of the pretest and post-test. Difficulties in the numeracy skills can be resolved using appropriate intervention, instructional materials like drill cards and flashcards. Teachers who religiously perform drill before mathematics class can raise the performance of their pupils. And that ends our presentation. Thank you.